Welcome to Daily New Vibes, where every night brings you a chilling tale that will keep you awake long after the lights go out. Tonight's story is one of the most famous urban legends ever told, the Vanishing Hitchhiker. It was a cold winter night on the outskirts of London. James, a university student, was driving back home after a long evening class. The roads were empty, except for the occasional fog that drifted across the street. As he approached a dark corner, he saw a young woman standing by the roadside, wearing a pale white dress. She looked lost and cold. Out of instinct, James slowed down and offered her a ride. She smiled faintly, climbed into the back seat, and whispered softly, "Thank you. I live just down the road." James tried to make conversation, asking where she was coming from, but she stayed quiet, staring out of the window. Something about her silence was unsettling, but her sad eyes made him feel sympathy. When they finally reached the address she gave, James parked the car and turned around to let her out. But the back seat was empty. The girl had vanished without a sound. Confused and shaken, James went to the door of the house. An old woman answered. When James described the girl, the woman's eyes filled with tears. She whispered, "That's my daughter. She died in a car accident at that very corner, 10 years ago." James froze, realizing the chilling truth. He had given a ride to a spirit who never left the road where her life ended. From that night, James could never drive alone without feeling the weight of unseen eyes watching from the back seat. Legends like these remind us that some souls never truly find rest. Whether you believe it or not, the next time you see a lone figure by the road, will you stop or will you drive away? This was The Vanishing Hitchhiker, only on Daily New Vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more haunting tales. Until we meet again in the shadows.